welcome back with one new video and with one new pavilion here in Expo 2020. Now I am here in the front of the India Pavilion. So let's get in and see what they are offering for this Expo 2020 and for us. So let's go. I already booked the Smart Pass because here we have a lot of big line. I don't want to stand there. So I want to go from this Smart Queue process and I will show them what I have. And hello brother, can you, so I'm enter because I already took the Smart Queue. Here you have a big line. If you are coming, just do the Smart Queue because you need to be take a long time and stand there. So here we have the entrance. So someone is welcoming us. Thank you very much. Here is the India. I have a lot of the friends there, so I thought I will go there. And this is the entrance, and let's see what they're offering. They have some NASA system here like that. They tried last time, and here they have something. So they're presenting something very unique as well. Let's see what they're offering for us. And this is a Mongolia. So here they are showing the world map. That. Let's move slowly forwardly. Instead, astronomy. They worked on astronomy as well. So if you want to see the video, here they are presenting in the pictures. So it's open to you and like that. So they're showing some machines. Last time India tried for the moon, and what they use they are showing here. But India is also working in the technology. They have some their missile systems, all this stuff. So it's ISRO they called it, and they have it. So let's move to the forward and we'll see what other they have. Here India also have the mission to moon, and let's get in and see. They're using the latest technologies, all this stuff. And here the president of the India is showing. So here they are also presenting in the video what they did last time.
And will continue to do so at least for the next 5 years. And by that time, India will reach the moon with its children.
So India will reach the moon, they are saying like that. Inshallah, they will do it if they will do hard work. And other than that, they are presenting some rockets, something like here, how India use ISRO organization to reach there. So they have some dresses here, they're presenting how the astronomist did the work and like that. So next move forward, someone is here and they're showing some yoga practices like that. Someone is here and doing some work.
Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.
So they're showing us this one. And other than that, we'll move forward. They are showing the history, the culture of the India to us here. So let's move forward. Here they show some agriculture stuff, the greenery, the water, the mountains, all have here. The moon, like this. So this is in the start of the India Pavilion. So let's get to the next things what they're offering. We'll see. And here they're showing some plant work, herbs of India. Can you picture them? Imagine? Yes, you can. Here they have a lot of the different type of plants they're presenting here. Other than that, this is I think a plant section. They're showing what herbs they have and how they're treating for how to work on save the planet from this plant system and all the agriculture. So let's get up and we'll see what they have next for us. This is the pavilion view from the inside for the India. If all of viewers just like and subscribe this channel and share this video to all your Indian friends, they will watch the India Pavilion from the inside. If you are in UAE, you must visit. If you are not in UAE, you can enjoy this video and let's have some idea. So someone is here to present us something new, Azadi, something like that. I don't know the Hindi, but wait for the English version. Hi. So here we goes. Is I think it's the Taj Mahal. Yes, we heard about a lot about the Taj Mahal. It's there. It's a Mughal empire. They developed it long time back in 1631. Yes, Mughal empire did this, and it's still there. And it's so beautiful architecture. And they are showing the mountains here. What they have on the other side, they are showing Himachal Split. This is also a very beautiful place, and they have a very big thing. India is the second biggest country as per the population and the area, so they have a lot of things to explore. They have also very big screens. Let's move forward. Hopefully guys you will like this video, and you have a lot of the things to explore. Here we goes with the next one. Here they have something, they don't mention what is that. I think this is also some religion stuff, something that they are going to present. Let's read it from here. 3D animation, Taj Vishwanath temple, something like this. I have no idea about this. They have big screens, they have agriculture land as well. They have a beautiful mountains, beautiful road structure in India. The other side they have again the temples, Guru Nanak temple. It's a 3D view of that one. How it's look like. They give the 3D view and the small design to tell us how it is basically. So other side the screens are there, and they are also presenting the same thing from the temple. And here we have one other small structure. It looks very beautiful. Let's see what is that. This is also a temple, and it's a very old structure, but it looks very beautiful. Yes. Yes, most of the things we watched in the movies of the India. But let's see what is. So let's move forward. So let's move to the other side, and we'll show you what other thing this expo is. This pavilion is offering to us, and there is a small gate there. I did not see it before. Let's go there, and we'll see what India Pavilion is more offering to us. This is a beautiful culture they already shown to us. It's a 4 floors, this pavilion, so we need to go up and up every time if you want to see something new. So this is a place. We are now on the 2nd floor. We've already visited 2 floors. So here we go. This is the down floor that we already visited, and now they show us the beautiful places in the India, also the culture, and also something about the technology in the start. So let's see what they're offering next to us. Transformation in India. They also have the concept of the new India. They are giving some mics. If you want to study about it, you can from these mics, and they are giving some screens, all that. If you want to study about it, if anyone wants to know about more, they can come and they can use the headphones for that. And this is something Azadi Ki Marat, something like this. I don't know what is that. They are giving some sitting places as well. If you are tired, you can sit, because this is a very big pavilion, so you have to be energetic. And they are showing something technology work and new opportunities. Department of Promotion of Industry and the Internal States. So they're working on some medical stuff, something new, something adventurous. So they're showing on the top. If you will see, they show whole city, but they put it in opposite way. Just like that. And they have something. This is a line. Make in India. Make in India. Yes, this is something structure. This is also moving and the running form, something like this. And on the back side, if you will see, they are showing the industrial stuff of India, but they have and single purpose. So this is all about the India. And now move to the next step, and we'll see what they're offering. Business environment is related.
With an annual trade of 60
So now we move toward the fourth floor. It's a big one, big pavilion. So they have a fourth floor. So step by step they are presenting. From the one side we go up and they will show something, and the other side we will go down and we will see. They have something here as well, but when we go down from the other side we will see this thing. This is the most top floor here. So here on the top floor they are showing something. Element transformation element for the better morning. Leadership with the trust. Tata, it's a big brand of the India, big industry. So here they have the advertisement of the brands, what India industry is offering. And this is the top floor of the India pavilion, and this is something else. This is also any other brand. And other than that, we have to be. They have a lot of the apps, and they worked on the IT as well. So they have a lot of opportunities there. So they have some schedule for the future days. If anyone come, they can easily take it from here. And the next one, what they have, the group. It's also coming. So here all the groups are the things are related to what are the industrial and what they have. So now we will go and move downwards, and we'll see what things remaining, what India Pavilion is offering more to us. So here they have some shopping stuff at the end, as same as the other pavilions. At the end they are giving some shopping opportunity. If you want, you can buy anything. And so let's go the other side, and we'll see what they have other. These are all things they're presenting for the shopping. If anyone wants to do shop something, they can easily shop it from here. And all the projects they're going to present to us here. Again, I'm reached on the down floor, so they have something unique here, so I thought I will again capture it. So this is something very beautiful. This is a big 3D model here. Other side they have something more beautiful. It's the 3 rivers of the India. Yes, they are going to present here. This is also a 3D model. On the back side you will see the beautiful structure there, and they have someone here, the big architecture. He is the State of the Unity. They are called this unity, 32 meters, State of the Unity, and the tallest thing they have. This is called the State of the Unity. Here they have a big screen. They are showing something cultural and the other thing. This is something written in Hindi. I don't know what is that. If anyone know Hindi, they can easily read it. And they have something here as well, and here as well. So this is also a very beautiful thing they presented here. This is a structure as well, the play structure. This is exactly. So other side we have one other structure. This is, I think, something temple here. It's a Sahib Gold temple. Yes, Sari Harmat Sahib Gold temple. So here we goes with this one.